Wonder what they do, put in my position. I wonder when my shit drop, do they listen?
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a show and tell on this lovely unit that I have from Wiggins hair. I'll have all their information linked down below in the description box. This is Wiggins 13x6 Kinky Curly Lace Front Wig. And I just wanted to briefly mention that I did sew an elastic band into this unit. My cap construction is a medium cap construction, and I just am really enjoying applying my units with the elastic band. Although sometimes I do go in and add some adhesive, it just makes the wig application so much easier. So right here, I'm showing you guys, even though I did go in and bleach my knots, on this particular unit, the only con that I found is that the lace is kind of light, as you may notice. So what I did to combat that is I went in with my foundation stick and I just blended it into the lace in the front and into the parting space, and that definitely helped tremendously. So I decided to use my Got2b glue spray very lightly to help adhere this wig down. Even though with the elastic band, you really don't have to do much. But just for extra security, because I did wear this unit for a couple days, I went ahead and used my Got2b glue freeze spray. So a little bit more about this unit. This is their 13x6 Kinky Curly Lace Front Wig, as I stated before. I have it in 20 inches, 150% density, and let me tell you, this is one of the most beautiful textures that I have got my hands on. And you guys know I'm a curly hair fanatic. I just love curly hair, and this is definitely one that has made it into the faves. So if you are on the hunt for that perfect like vacation hair, summer ready hair, an everyday texture, or just a unit that is curly and just boom, I definitely suggest this unit because the curl texture is so beautiful. Although this unit comes with a slight pre-plucked hairline, I feel you're going to need to go in and, you know, kind of customize it more to fit your hairline. And I feel like if I was to wear it pulled away from my face, I would definitely want to go in and tweeze the hairline some more. So I wanted to just mention that. And once again, I want you guys to pay close attention to the texture of this unit, because even though this wig is a kinky curly unit, it's the perfect kind of kink. It's not too much, because I have had some kinky curly wigs that was kind of like overpowering. Like the texture was kind of like a lot to deal with. But I wore this hair for around like 4 days, and the maintenance was so easy. Once you just do your curly hair routine once, you're pretty much good to go until you're ready to go in and co-wash the hair. The only thing that I needed to do was go in and spritz a little bit of water on it every day in the beginning of my day, and I was like good to go. I didn't really use anything that would make the curls like tight or anything, because I wanted it to look really natural. And lately, as you guys probably have seen if you've been watching some of my videos, I like to use aloe vera gel if I want a very light hold for my curls and something like really effortless. And yes, you guys, like this hair is just absolutely beautiful. I can say so much about it, but we are running out of time. So if you're interested in checking out Wiggins hair, I will leave all their information in my description box. Don't forget to check there for coupon codes. I do have a coupon code that can save you $6 off your order. Just use the code FASHION. And there are other coupon codes going on right now because they're having a summer promotion. All that information will be linked down below. So you guys, let me know how you feel about this hair. It's so bomb to me. Please share this video, comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next video. Ooh, look at them curls. See you guys later. Bye.
I tell them if they ain't with it, then let's just forget it.